Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue many people face when starting the ketogenic diet. It's fatigue. If you've ever felt drained or tired when transitioning to keto, yeah, you're not alone. But don't worry, because we've got some insightful tips to help you breeze through this phase and unlock the full benefits of ketosis. First off, let's understand why fatigue occurs when starting keto. When you switch to a ketogenic diet, your body undergoes a significant metabolic shift. It transitions from primarily using glucose for fuel to burning fat for energy by producing ketones in the process. This adjustment period, often referred to as the Keto Flu. Keto Flu can lead to symptoms like fatigue, brain fog, and irritability. During this transition, your body is essentially reprogramming itself to become efficient at burning fat. This process takes time, and in the meantime, your energy levels may dip as your body adapts to using ketones as its primary fuel source. So, how can you combat fatigue and make the transition to keto smoother? Here are some practical tips. Number 1. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can exacerbate fatigue, so be sure to drink plenty of water, especially during the initial stages of keto adaptation. Number 2. Electrolytes are key. When you cut back on carbohydrates, your body excretes more sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Replenishing these electrolytes can help alleviate fatigue and other keto flu symptoms by adding electrolyte-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, and avocados to your diet. You can also try electrolyte supplements to ensure you're getting enough. Number 3. Don't skimp on calories. Many people experience a decrease in appetite when starting keto, which can lead to undereating. Make sure you're consuming enough calories from healthy fats to sustain your energy levels. Number 4. Be patient. Remember, transitioning to ketosis is a process that takes time. Be patient with your body and give it the time it needs to adapt. By following these tips and giving your body the support it needs, you can minimize fatigue and make the transition to ketosis much smoother. Remember, everyone's experience with keto is unique. So don't be discouraged if you hit some bumps along the way. Stay consistent and listen to your body, and soon enough, you'll be reaping the full benefits of the ketogenic diet. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more ketogenic tips and recipes. See you next time.